The first physical event of the WORLDBEX since the pandemic has finally started, now on its 25th year, and as the leading Philippine building and construction trade show in the Philippines, I encourage you to attend, especially if you are a real estate developer, real estate flipper, or someone who wants to renovate your home. This is happening until September 3 here at SMX Convention Center and the World Trade Center. Dalawang venue kasi napakarami exhibitors, activities, galleries, etc. And to those of you who can't attend in person, no worries, samahan niyo po ako para i-discover kung ano ang mga latest construction and design ideas.
Libre lang po ang entrance at pwede kayong mag-pre-register online para hindi nyo na kailangang mag-fill up ng form at pumila. Once you pre-register, you will receive a QR code which you'll show and they'll give you an ID that you may use for the entire exhibition period. Sa mahal ngayon ng gasolina, maaaring kinoconsider nyo po na mag-electric vehicle. And Cube Systems can offer you an electric vehicle parking and charging infrastructure for your home. Meanwhile, for those of you who want to live in a recreation vehicle or use it for Airbnb, this RV is a Coachman pastiche that is good for 4 persons. It comes with a kitchen, sofas that can be converted into a bed for 2 people, a fixed bed, a bathroom, etc.
Wow!
Tapos may mosquito net.
Okay, hi, by the way, I'm Romel Pelausa. I'm the sales and marketing lead of LifeSmart Philippines. Anything that you need for your house, we all have solutions for it. One of the technology that we have na wala sa ibang brands is we have a sole proprietary wireless protocol. It's like a Wi-Fi, but it's not. We call it COSS or Star Communication. So basically, it's a sole wireless communication that is intended for all LifeSmart devices, which means no one can connect to it unless you have the same signal, which is you can't because it's proprietary. Although you can connect it via internet, but the interconnection between all the devices, it's a different technology. That's the reason we can make our products work even without internet because of that. Actually, our security system can work even without electricity. So your security will continuously work even without electricity, without internet. It has all backup internet connection. Marami kayong ways to control air conditioning. We can use this one. We call it the Spot. It's a universal remote control. Lahat ng remote control mo na, nandito na. At the same time, one of the purpose din niya, kaya siya umiilaw, is pwede rin siya mag-serve as light alarm. No, let's say, meron ka naiwan na tana or door na open. Ganito mangyari. Meron kang light alarm na alam mo na meron pang hindi naka-close na bintana or door. And pwede ka rin mag-trigger ng alarm. Kung hindi mo gusto ng medyo vulgar masyado, pwede ka light sa kwarto mo. So ibig sabihin niya, as long as naka-red siya, ibig sabihin, meron naka-open na door or window. Then, for example, once makadetect siya ng smoke or fire, automatically, meron light siya, meron siyang sound. If hindi ka pa rin magising, ang gagawin namin pati aircon, ang ilaw, blink-blink namin siya Kung hindi ka pa rin magising nun, ewan na lang namin.
Weaved Spaces has a vast collection of Filipino-crafted products made out of sustainably sourced natural materials. But for the expo, they are selling some of their hand-woven furniture and decor at discounted rates. Romance Furniture offers sliding wardrobes and kitchen cabinets that are imported from Korea and are customizable.
Everything we have right now is from good. You can try actually. Just open it. Yeah. Wala.
Akala ko may binibentang Carmen's Best Friend. Lalagyan lang pala for Carmen's Best Friend. Favorite ice cream ko yan.
These are high-performance breezeway louver windows. It's very far from the old jalousie that we remember. It's typhoon rated. It can withstand up to 250 kilometers of wind per hour. You can also use it in an air-conditioned room. It's airtight and watertight. If you would notice the clips, okay, the clips are very sturdy, so it can withstand high heat. And unlike the old jalousie, you cannot open it from the outside. It's very secure. The materials are made of high quality premium materials, combination of aluminum, stainless, and acetal plastic. Now, for the blades, you can have it na colored blades or opaque blades if you want privacy. And we also have aluminum blades. And for the aluminum blades, you can have it powder coated according to your home's design.
Aside from interesting products and materials, another highlight at SMX Convention Center is the Architects Gallery. Architectural firms feature their latest works on site. After going around the SMX Convention Center and eating lunch, we rode a shuttle to World Trade Center. The dedicated shuttle between SMX Convention Center Manila and World Trade Center is free, and it allows visitors to conveniently visit both venues. Modern bamboo uses 100% natural bamboo, which is known to be durable, water-resistant, and easy to maintain. They have different designs for flooring and cladding. Rising Sun Philippines offers quality wooden doors like this Castlewood grand size door, and they accept made-to-order doors. TCN Interior Solutions Inc. offers printed tech panels that can be highly effective at solving a variety of acoustic or soundproofing issues that you may have. And if you want an affordable house that is constructed in a short amount of time, Smart House offers prefab container houses. Another highlight at the World Trade Center is the Interior Designs Gallery. That is it for this video. I apologize if this video is not well made. My videos got corrupted, but I commit to publishing a better video next time. Anyway, I hope this has helped you and thank you for watching Own Property PH.